AI-generated reunions, a dream come true, or bittersweet pixels for the Kardashians?
Welcome to TechBit, where tech meets the future one bite at a time.
Hey, have you seen what AI can do with old photos now? Like, you take a picture of someone you've lost, and with a few clicks, tools like DALL-E or Midjourney can put them right beside you in a new moment. A graduation, a holiday, even just a walk on the beach.
Seriously? That's incredible. So it's like you can bring back those memories and make new ones, kind of? Like they're there with you again?
Exactly. It's not just reminiscing about the old times, the laughter, the way they'd hold your hand through tough days. AI lets you imagine them in moments they missed. Like, Kim Kardashian? She just posted this AI image of her dad, Robert Kardashian, standing next to her at her law graduation, all proud in a suit, holding her diploma. He passed away in 2003, so he never got to see that day.
Oh, wow. That must have hit hard. I saw fans on X going wild over it, saying stuff like literal chills, and how it's so healing to see. Kim called it a tribute, right? Like a way to feel close to him again for the Kardashians?
Yeah, she did. It's like closure in a photo. You get to whisper, "I love you" one more time, or see them smile at a moment they should have been part of. It's a dream come true for a lot of people, filling those empty spots at family dinners or quiet anniversaries.
But doesn't it also hurt a little? I mean, it's not really them, just an image. Does it bring back the grief, too?
That's the thing, it's bittersweet. Those AI photos can soothe the ache, but they also remind you they're just echoes, not the real person you could hug. Some folks debate if it's healthy or if it's clinging to the past. But honestly, for the Kardashians or anyone, if it helps you carry that love forward, it's personal. It's healing in its own way.
I get that. Like, next time I'm watching a sunset, I could use AI to picture my grandma there with me. It's not the same, but it's like she's still part of my story.
Totally. It's a way to keep them in the frame, Kardashian style, forever close, even if it's just pixels. You'd try it, right?
Maybe I would. Just to see her smile again.